Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Hot Wheels car called the Sling Shot. Time to review it this time. So the Sling Shot has yellow window over here, a gray interior, a plastic base, some cool wheels that look shiny, as well as the purple metal body with the number 1 on 3 sides. And also is very powerful and fast. And this car can race a lot. If you drive this car, then you'll go extremely fast with it. It's such a beautiful, nice looking car. So anyways guys, that's all I have to say. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to comment, of course. So anyways guys, I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!